Lo sungai le te tai o Samina, lo sungai le Patanainga, lo Pama Solomona, o le Whawhenainga Taulani o le Ekalesia Pala Songa Cristiano Samoa, i le awhioanga i songi. A whionga ia Mr. Guangzhou Ju, patonu o le FAO mo atu motu o le Pasifika. A whio mista o le Kabineta. A whio la whionga i le sui whonketalai. A ia whaikule o le maota whaitula fono o Samoa. Sui o komiti o whono whaamae o i tumalo. Sui o whaiwhatoanga mapaanga. O te whapea atu talofala. O te whaleo o le nganga o le whaatai o tau paia, malo o tau mamalu. Kua mawhai o na tātou a waiwhatasi, i le nei tai ao, i se tasi o Porokalame tāua. O le whaalau i loina, ma le tupaina o mai lei mo mea i tua o lo whaalatua. I nisi o i tū malo o Filifilia i Ponei. O le nei whamemoe o se tasi o ngā uenga tāua e mo mia ai o tātou ngā lulue so tawau. E na ia pui mauna ia whainga tau whaatuanga. Mo tau mawha i le tātou atunou. E ala i te fo ia o se tasi o lui tau o maonga. Ia tātou mati nae tau whaatuanga. O le whaati tere ina lea o mea tua alo whaalafua. Po o kua ai wao. I lo tūranga o le minsta o whaatoanga ma whaina whaiva o te whia whaamanatu se tasi o mamlauti o le tātou malo. I na ia una ia le mawhatau ni maina o ata tau gati na e tau whaatoanga. I na ia si tia le tamao ainga o nuu mawhio ama i tua. I le taimi nei o lo tu mau pēr le bea o mea tua o lo whaalafua. Ma whaafita auri o maonga mo whaatoanga i o tātou watuno. Ua whaaleanga ina ai le tele o whaatoanga. Whaititia ai le mau tau mawha i taimiuma. Ma whaititia ai tupe maua whai whaatoanga. E tu sangai ma le wha maunga ma le sai linga tau whaatoanga i le tausanga lua o. E silia ma le ono se 10% o aina whai whaatoanga. Ua lato ta ua le whare tonu ya lato wati nae. Ona o mea i tua alo whalafua. Ma o se lui tau ua haafia ai o tātou ngau. Mo ati nae mo se soifua mnuia. E li tamo whaina mo mua e tali atu i lea lui tau. Sa ngā lupe whatasi ai e tātou mo tā ngā wema. O whaatoanga ma whaina whaiva. Ma le tātou whaalapu putonga mo suenga whaasaienisi a Samoa. I se poloketi whaataitapi i le tausanga e mo oro tonu. Ma whaatutuina ai ni mai lei niso i tu malo Filifilia i polu masaba. Sa matua whaamaria ina. Le tau ungo le nei poloketi whaataitapi. Ma ausia ai le valu se fulu. I le iwa se fulu pasene. O le so longa le lei o le angāruenga. I le so, o leo o tātou toi whaau ma whaalau te leina. Le whaatinoina o ngāruenga mai le poloketi whaateitai. O mai lei o le atupa tupaina atu, o le ahangai i tūmalo i Ponei. E le i aofia i le ruai vaenga o le poloketi whaateitai. O le vai asofou, i le pule alofo o le tua, o le whaia foi le nei lava tupa tufanga mo le tātou motu tele i salafai. O lo tui matai pēr no whanga, o lo matua rafa ina pēr i mea tua lo whalafua pa pēr nisi o ati nae le o awhia i lago o whono whamai. O nei mai lei o se tasi o fuai i lalo le poloketi ua taua o le Stodas. O lo whaatupeina e le Unia Europa e ala atu i le wha a o po le FAO Maolo ngā lue baba la tai mai tato matanga luema o fato anga mawhaina whaino. Ai o te fia whairo monino atu e lema whai o na fo ia ato atoa le nei whawhita auli pe a whai o la tato whaalango tasi I mai nei. O le tūpaina po le whausia le lei o pāpui mo ati nange tau mei tuaolo. O se mai na tau o te lea, mo fuafuanga alu o mao, le whai titia ai, le whātupula io le au whai o mea tuaolo taloa. Ma mea ai, ma mea tuaolo whaalatua. O se whaina le lei fo lea ina ia mautinoa, le lava pea o tātou wati nae, e whaalau I loa I taimi o tātou wai seleselenga, o loo wha ngaso lo pea, e le I tau fia e le minista. E le lango ina o lea fuafuanga alu mo mao, o le awhatino ina e matanga luenga, se fuafuanga mo se fausio se whaina whaavae, e lima taitaina ai se tula fono whatontonu, e taia lai ngā luenga, ma awala tawa whengai, mo ati na e tau mea tua o lo I Samoa. O lama tautu o naro I le neitai ao, e whama moe manuea o le neitai o whaina, e o tātou ngā lulue whatasi. Mautu o whama maunga mali wa aia le lei o le whanga ina o nei aseta. E wha rau pea ni ngā luenga, ni kata ngā luenga, e sa ili o te soasoani tala whengai e peikoi o na iai le nei tai ao. Mai a tātou paanga tauwati nā e, whapea ni tuina hatu le o nanga whawhautua, ma whamataranga mo le siti o tūlanga tau whatuanga. O le anga lue baba la lata ni tātou mtanga wema, ma sui o komiti o whono whabae I tūmalo, mo le whatuina, mai matai tuina o nei mai lei. Ma tau te whamoe mo te o tau langa no sua. Ina iau ngā ma whao ngā ina nei mea whainga renga. E tali atu ai ia whianga o nei tua alo whala kua. E mamori e whataitere le Uni Europa. Mai le FAO mo la u tau langa o whai pēa. I le ati na ina o si o tātou atu nu o Samoa. I komiti o whono whabai o I tūmalo, ma noho whai whatuanga whakutaitere. Mo lo o tau sao tāua. I le una ia o ati na e tau whatuanga, ngā whatau di maina, a wā se manui o Samoa mo le tangata. O lata e tau tiu te whai patasi le nei. Ia mautinoa, le manui o le nei polo kalame, ma ia whaau au pēr whainga whapaanga. O wale pui o tātou wāti nae, ma ia mau tau mawha mo ata e au mai umanai. I le nei tū lao te whailoa lo ia tua I nei pesoasoani, whapea lo na tupa tu whaina, I whono whabai o whiriwhiria mo koru nei. For the sake of our donors, ia te tau koe na whaise tātou tala o na lea whaalo na mai, ia nai atu mu e le maalama lama I tātou no ngana. I na ia tu maupea na toe o mai nisi tupe se tele, e whaatino ai le pesoasoani. Reverend Laupama Solomona, Congregational Christian Church of Samoa Songi, Mr. Guancho Ju, FAO's Aboriginal Coordinator for the Pacific, Cabinet Minister, Deputy Lauviona, the Deputy Speaker, and member of the Parliament of Samoa, members of the District Development Council, distinguished guests, farmers and friends. Talofa love and warm greetings to you all. It is both an honor and privilege to join you today for the official launch and distribution of Feral Pigs tracts to selected districts here in Upolu. This event represents another important step in our shared efforts to protect and strengthen our agriculture and food system. by addressing one of the most persistent threats faced by our farming communities, the prevalence of feral pigs. As Minister for Agriculture and Fisheries, I am proud to reaffirm our government commitments to enhancing the resilience of our agri-food system, reducing food loss, and improving the livelihood of our rural communities. The growing population of feral pigs continue to pose serious challenge for our agriculture. They destroy crops, threaten food security, and erode the incomes of hard-working farmers. According to the 2020 agricultural census, over 60% of our farming households identified feral pigs as a major problem, one that directly affects their productivity and well-being. In the early response to this growing challenge, our Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries and Scientific Research Organization of Samoa initiated a pilot program in 2023 to install feral pig traps in selected districts across Upolu and Savaii. These trials yield highly promising results, with success rates reaching up to 80 to 90%, and some traps capturing as many as 20 pigs at a time. Today we are building on that success. The traps we are distributing will go to districts here in Upolu that were not included in the initial pilot phase. The same will be done for Savaii next week. These are areas where feral pigs continue to devastate crops and where our farmers are in urgent need of practical solutions. The traps being distributed today is part of the STOTUS project, or Sustainable Transformation of Domestic Agri-Food System project, which aims to enhance our agri-food system through effective feral pig management, and is made possible through the general support of the European Union, General Food, the FAO, and implemented in close collaborations with our Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. But let me be clear, the traps alone will not solve the problem. Fencing of pig farms remains a crucial component of any long-term strategy to manage feral pig populations. Proper fencing not only helps contain domesticated pigs, but also prevents the further spread of feral pig populations into plantation and forested areas. To support this, our Ministry is currently in the process of developing a national policy and legislative framework to guide the proper fencing and management of pig farms in Samoa. This policy will set the foundations for responsible pig farming practices and ensure that our farmers are supported with the right tools, knowledge, and regulatory environmental to protect their livelihood. Ladies and gentlemen, while today's distribution marks another step forward, we recognize that the success of this intervention relies heavily on ongoing monitoring, data collections, and community engagement. We cannot afford to treat this as one-time activity. This is why our ministry is working hard to secure the necessary resources, including transport vehicles and technical support, to ensure regular site visits and to provide continued advisory service to our farming communities. We will work closely with its District Development Council, represented here today, to install, maintain, and monitor the traps in your respective district. We are counting on your leadership and support to make this a truly community-led initiative, and that delivers tangible results for our farmers. In closing, I want to sincerely thank the European Union and the FAO for their continued commitment to Samoa's development. Your support makes a meaningful difference in the lives of our people. To our district development councils and farming communities, thank you for your partnerships and the critical role you play in shaping a more resilient and sustainable agricultural sector. It is our shared responsibility to ensure the success of this initiative and to work together to build a resilient agri-food system, one that protects our crops, secures our food, and improves the livelihood of our people for generations to come. On that note, it is my pleasure to officially launch and distribute this next round of therapy tracts to the selected District Development Council in Nepal. And thank you for your attention.